B-Rolls and Accents.
Hi, I'm Jody.
Hi, I'm Kai.
And together we're we are the world.
Anyways,
Okay. Hi, I'm Jody.
I am Kai.
And together we're Kaijo.
Hello again. I am Yan.
I'm Salma. And together, we're Yema.
Hi guys, I'm John.
Mariz.
Together we are Jomar.
And you're watching.
Welcome back. This is episode 2 of
B-Rolls and Backstabs.
And true. Ikaw na, be.
Kylie does the intro. Akala ko introduce pa sila.
Intro.
Ay, okay. Ano sabihin ko? So for today's episode, we're gonna talk about life, the good, the bad, and everything in between.
Everything nice. Girls.
Okay, kuya.
Okay, in this episode, we have two special guests because it's episode 2. So first, we have our creative media dropout, Reina Lingotinas.
Ay!
Hey!
Ang sakit! Sobrang sakit! And our next guest is our aspiring CM students. Students, ang dami. Aspiring CM student, Joshua Magadia.
Okay,
Okay.
so to start with,
Oroy.
who's gonna ask the first question?
I'm gonna ask the first question.
Jody will ask the first
Are
question.
y'all ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, kamay sa baba.
Baba! Kamay sa baba.
Sorry, it's Tagalog.
Okay. Okay, first question. What hindi ko pala memorize.
What's the question?
What by SB19? What's a moment in your life that completely changed your perspective?
Let me think. Ooh.
Kylie.
Oh,
Kakay to my joke.
Wow.
okay. Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe I joke. Any question? Okay. What's one moment? Okay. This relates to the last episode when yung sa first impression when you said my walls are high. It's because of this. So, one moment was like 2023, I think. Yeah. May 2023, I found out that my best friend lied to me for our whole friendship. So, it's a very long story. It could take like the whole day.
10
Yes.
episodes.
Actually,
10 episodes.
so continuation. So this one day in May, I was out with my other friends, and then one of my friends asked me, when they had a sleepover with my best friend, she asked if this one thing happened. So basically, they were drinking. Pwede ba yun? They were drinking, and then
Legal age, guys. Legal
Yes.
yes,
yes.
Debatable.
Yes. Okay, so before the sleepover, my best friend said she wasn't gonna drink because she's a, basta, when you get drunk, you get crazy. Anyways,
Maoy.
yeah, so she said she wasn't gonna drink. Then, a few hours later, she texted me. She said, nakainom ako, ganyan. And then she was calling me. Tapos nag-reply ako sa kanya, sabi ko, sabi ka pa na hindi kay inom, bibigay ka din pala. Then, tumawag siya. Then I didn't answer kasi I was busy. Tapos, yung nakarating sa friend ko, nakasama niya sa sleepover was, ako daw yung tumatawag sa kanya. And parang galit na galit daw sa kanya, ganun, kasi umiinom siya. Then after that, other stories came up and they asked me if they were true. So basically, my other friend said na kwento daw ng best friend ko sa kanya was crush ko daw siya. She's a babae siya, by the way.
Oh.
And I'm straight. So yeah, nung September 2022 daw, parang crush ko daw siya noon. And yung way na pagpahit ako nun sa kanya is clingy daw ako. But I'm not clingy.
She's not.
I don't like physical touch, bro. So, yung way ko daw is gumaganito daw sa kanya, lagi ko daw hawak kamay niya. But then, siya yun. Bro, siya yung ganun sa akin. Like, she's the clingy one. Tapos, sabi niya din daw na, nag-kiss na daw kami.
JB mag-example ba ako?
Ay! Ang sakit! Grabe naman katabi to, physical. Sakit! Pareho! Grabe tong guest na.
Sobrang physical!
Continue.
Continuing, there's a lot of things that happened eh. But then, nung pandemic kasi, I was a transferee in the school where I met that best friend. Tas nag-pandemic. Then nung nag-pandemic kasi, parang biglang may nag-text sa akin. May nag-text sa akin na anonymous. Na parang naninira daw yung isa kong friend, ganun-ganon. It was back in 2020. Then, ayun, like, they kept texting me kahit i-block ko siya, gagawa siya ng bagong account. Then, ita-text ulit.
Grabe.
Then this new account texted sa Snapchat, I think, na nagpanggap. That was another person, completely unrelated. But then, it was the same person. Tas yun. It kept happening until 2023, I think. So, 3 years siyang nagtitext sa akin.
Oh.
Yeah, and then,
She's obsessed.
it was anonymous. Anonymous. It's not, yeah. Then, actually, kasi it got to a point where kahit i-block ko siya, mga hack siya ng account.
Oh!
Yeah.
Grabe.
Tapos yun.
Sobrang OA na reaction mo, kinig na kinig ka dun. Yung mic mo, pakilayo.
Wow.
Then after nun, back to 2023, what happened? Wait, guys.
Please
Kasi
hold.
sobrang dami nangyari talaga. Bumalik siya. Like, parang isang year siya tumigil mag-text sa akin. Then bumalik siya nung F2F na ulit. Sabi niya, like, parang they name-dropped someone na parang inaamin niya na like, ni-reveal yung identity, ganon. But then, it wasn't her. Parang umabot, nung nalaman ng best friend ko na kausap ko ulit yung person na yun, sinumbong niya daw sa guidance. Tapos sabi dun na ni-reveal niya daw kung sino siya, ganun-ganun. Tapos nakausap daw ng nanay niya, stuff like that. Tapos, natanggalan daw siya ng awards or something, like yung best friend ko, dahil daw nabaliktad yung story or something. Tapos, like, nung nalaman namin na she's been lying, a few months later, tinext nung isa kong friend, yung parang umamin, like, the name that they dropped. We actually texted her, tapos sabi niya, hindi naman daw siya nag-guidance ever, tapos hindi naman daw siya yun. Ganun. Ano pa ba nangyari?
Ang dami nangyari.
I have a whole album of screenshots, by the way.
Oh!
Pulling out the receipt.
Yeah,
I could show you actually.
Barilin mo lang ako ng baril. Barilin mo lang ako ng baril, wag lang i-screenshot na yan.
Like,
Resibo. Grabe.
Sensor.
I don't remember. Basta like before,
Guys, gusto niyong malik. Bayaran niyo.
Before namin malaman yung nangyari, like, my best friend and I were already, like, very on and off na. Like, ilang beses na siya nakipag...
My mom, bro.
Please
Huh?
hold.
Okay, go.
Okay. So, before I found out everything, me and my best friend were already, like, very on and off. She tried to break off the friendship, like, 3 times, I think, in the past, like, 5 months. But then she was also the one who wanted to fix it. Like, she would say, that I wanna end this friendship. Then the next day she'd say, I wanna fix it. Like, okay, Slay.
Grabe. Bob the Builder.
But yeah,
Dual personality.
like, I just went with it because I felt bad. Because in those past, like, 5 months, as I said, our friendship was really bad na. And she was really depressed. Like, she would text me and she'd say, she's gonna...
Oh.
Yeah, she would... Yeah, she was gonna, And then her mom would text me, quote unquote, mama... No. Quote unquote, her mom would text me. And then she'd say na, hala, nak, nag-flatline na siya. Ganon. And then the next day, she'd go to school like nothing happened. Like, I'm still alive. Yeah.
Copyright.
Ay, ay,
Copyright tayo, copyright.
Bawal.
Copyright.
Copyright, wala sa tono eh.
How dare you? I am so offended.
Kasi kita. Sinabayan din kasi kita.
Oh.
S near. Okay. Skip ads.
Tawag niya lang.
I am double offended. I am double
Grabe.
offended.
Naalala ko nagkaroon si Esneer sa Josie.
Sa joke.
Guys,
Sorry. Okay, skip.
okay. So, yun. The reason why I said mom is because that mom was using her second account to text me. Like, for 2-3 years, I think she was using the account to text me.
She's
Tas yun. Tas, yeah. She was like... The reason why she said na I kept holding her hand, ganon. Kasi, she keeps having panic attacks. Tas she says na, I'm the only one who can, like, calm her down daw. So, yun. Then, yeah. So, in those past, like...
Love wins.
So, in, like, the past 4 years na kaibigan ko siya, it was a lot to deal with kasi nga, panic attacks. Then, I'd have to deal with her, like, attempts. It was a lot to take on mentally. So, napagod talaga ako. So, every time nasasabihin niya na, I would end, FO na tayo. Siyempre, papayag ako kasi nga, pagod na ako. But then, the next day, sabi niya, I still wanna fix it. So, papayag pa rin ako kasi nga, nagigilty ako. Kasi, lagi niya sasabihin na, ako lang yun nandun para sa kanya. Ganon. So, parang naisip ko na lang, if I ended with her, baka ako yung maging reason kung bakit. Yeah. So, I feel it, but yeah.
Oh.
Where's our tissue, guys?
Tissue box, please.
Okay, guys. Kukuha mo natin siya.
There's no more
There's no more backstage person. Oh my God, Kyla's crack. Oh my God.
Hello.
She was feeling it.
Ako nakikita ko na from here.
You can hear it.
I can hear it. I don't wanna look kasi baka may yan din ako.
Yeah, I was like,
Okay, continue guys. We have to let this out.
Yeah. Let it out. Let
This
it out.
is open space.
Yeah, it's a
For
safe
us lang
space.
ha.
close siya.
Huh?
close your door. Close space. I'm sorry.
It's okay, she's crying. You have to laugh.
I understand. Naiintindihan kita.
I understand.
So, yeah. Anyways, yun. So, nung nalaman nga namin na she's been lying, on the same night,
all my friends, kami lahat, we were on video call. Then we called her dad. Kasi, her mom created a GC with everyone. Tapos tinatanong niya, ano ba itong nangyayari sa inyo? Ganun, gusto ko lang malaman yung side nyo. Then, ayun, tinawagan namin yung dad niya. Tapos sabi namin, tita, pwede ba makusap si tita? Then, ayun, binigay yung phone kay tita. Then sabi niya, tinanong ng friend ko, tita, meron po kasing gumawa ng GC. Nagsabi na ikaw daw po yun. Tapos sabi niya, hindi ako yun. So, for the past 3 years, hindi pala nanay niya yung nakakausap ko.
Bestie, that's crazy.
Yeah.
She's a
That's
poser, but also not a poser.
Tapos ayun nga, when that call happened, like, 3 accounts were texting me. Yung best friend ko, yung nanay niya, and yung anonymous account. When that call happened, tas, binigay yung phone dun sa best friend ko. All of the accounts stopped texting. So yun, syempre nalaman namin na she's the bond behind everything. So yun. That moment changed my life. Kasi, imagine mo, best friend ko for 4 years.
Ayoko na.
Cut the cameras, cut the cameras.
Bakit kayo ganyan?
Sana, okay lang sila. Sana.
Okay, kaya ko to slow.
Ay, wait lang.
Bro. Wait lang. Sabi ko sa'yo, mahina ako sa mga ganyan. Tapos umiiyak ka pa. Kaya hindi ako natingin kay Jen. Natiyak. Parang
So yun.
sabay comfort. Okay.
So yun.
Agap naman lumalim na to.
Kaya,
First question pa lang tayo.
kaya mataas yung walls ko kasi imagine the one person that I let into my life. Like, siya lang talaga yung pinaka-close sa akin. And the one who knows me the most, siya pa yung nagsinungaling sa akin and who betrayed me. So, yun.
Sorry, mapasok. May awayin tayo.
She's in the Philippines now. She escaped.
Oh, she escaped?
Yeah.
Oh, ghoster. Now we understand why your walls are so high. But look at us. We climbed it.
Grabe!
We climbed nga eh. But how do you feel now? Like, are you relieved? Or like, do you still think about it?
I still think about it kasi I never really got to talk about it talaga.
Ang sama nyo!
Mga ate na
Sino lang aaway sa baby ko lang?
Ayun. I mean, I'm relieved in a way kasi I don't have to deal with that na like, yung biglang matitext sa akin na, hala na, wala na siya, nag-flatline na siya, I don't have to deal with that anymore. Yeah. And, yun. Tapos, I still do think about it nga. Kasi, syempre, ang tagal din ng, friendship namin, ang dami na din namin pinagdaanan. And she, like I said, she was, like, best friend ko talaga siya. Like, siya lang talaga yung, nakakausap ko everyday. Lagi ko nakakasama. Like, kahit anong laro, siya yung kasama ko. Pag may gusto kong puntahan, siya yung kasama ko. Tapos yun, bigla na lang nawala. So yun, parang, I never got to process it. But yeah. Kasi, I'm not used to showing my emotions.
Naiiyak ako pa eh. Hindi ko kaya. Naiiyak ako.
Kaya quiet na lang ako.
Uiyak ba ako or...
Yung akbay na yun, may ibig sabihin niya, tumigil ka na. Please lang.
Hindi ko lang. Kasi nahahawa na kami. Sorry.
I think you can see it naman na I'm not expressive. And,
Hindi kaya.
Seen it in our first episode, yeah. She's just quiet. But this is the real Kylie now. Yeah, right?
yes, sobra. Yeah. Siya lang yung nakakita sa side ko na ganito. Ayaw kong, pinapakita sa iba na umiyak ako. Like, yeah. I don't know how to put my feelings into words. Tapos parang, ayun, siya lang yung lagi nakakaintindi sa akin. Kaya, yeah. Kaya din siguro ako mas naging, like, I can express myself. Kasi every time na may sasabihin ako sa kanya, parang ibabalik niya sa akin. If I say something about her attitude, ganon, tapos sabihin niya, sorry, ganito kasi yun, ganyan.
Guilt tripping.
So, parang, I stopped expressing myself. So, yeah.
Cheers, bro. Cheers.
And guys, sending peace, comfort sa lahat ng mga tao. May ganong experience. Send to Kylie. Cheers. Cheers tayo dyan. Hey. Ando pa na camera.
Tapos ito cut mo na sa best friend niya.
Real.
Sa ano ka, diba, siya? Tama ba? Doon siya.
Oh, Salma, alam mo na.
Oh, we're gonna hunt you down.
Saan doon?
Cab.
Oh, damn, cab. I hate people for cab. Except my best friend.
Oh, my best friend.
Anyways, guys, cheers!
Cheers, y'all.
So, magbigay kayo ng advice or hindi?
Ano sasabihin ko?
Anong na-feel mo para sa partner mo, Jody?
Sa partner ko. And then, alam ko na kasi yung story before. Nakwento niya na sa akin.
Kaya pala, super emotional mo din.
And then, nung time na yun kasi parang hindi siya sobrang seryosong kwento. Parang lang, chill lang kami. It's usual talk lang, ganun. Pero ngayon kasi mas nabuhas niya na. Siguro kasi din sa ambience. Kasi nasa school kami noon eh. So I get kung bakit parang may hindi niya nailabas lahat ni Kylie. So it's okay, Kai.
We're proud of you, Kylie.
Yeah, at least it's another stepping stone. We're here for you.
And yun, that is Kylie's.
Nawalan ka ng isa, binigyan ka ng marami.
And dun muna natin buwasan. And hikat muna natin. And we are back.
Yes,
We're
we're back, guys. So, may gusto pa ba mag-share? Guests?
Si Josh.
Yes, may naririnig ako dito sa left side.
So ako nga. Ako diba? So ano tanong? Ang tanong, andito pala ako. Hi guys. Dito pala kayo. Hi guys. Say, kamusta Pilipinas and
Oh my
how is your world?
Dami agad. Sabi sa inyo ni pinsan
Many
ko yan.
ads, bro!
Skip ads. Sorry guys.
Sorry.
So, the
ano yung
question was, what's a moment in your life that completely changed your perspective? Translate in Tagalog?
Hindi, okay na. Okay na po.
Okay.
Okay.
Kaya niya na yan. Malaki na yan.
So, saan mag-umpisa? Simula tayo sa pitos.
Ang lalabo.
Grabe naman yun!
Hindi siguro Ang dami. Dami kong kwento. Sorry. Hindi kasi hindi po ako sanay nang nasa harap ng camera. I'm very sorry.
Takpan
And-
mo mukha mo.
Boss, wala ako dyan, boss.
Ay, sorry.
Boss.
Ala! Add!
Sorry.
Skip!
Ano nga yung tanong?
Alam mo, malapit na kitang masuntok talaga.
Ma'am, one hole.
Ulitin yung tanong.
Paulit po, please.
What's a moment in your life that completely changed your perspective?
Siguro yung moment na nawalan ako father. Matay kasi yung dad ko 3 years ago. And then siguro dahil dun nagsabay yung pandemic. Then, first girlfriend ko and first breakup. Yun. Nagkasabay-sabay siya. Then, ayun, siguro I was in a hard spot na hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko. Kaya nandun, napunta ako sa point na hate ko yung buong mundo. Pero, paano ko ba explain? Hate ko yung mundo. Hate ko yung mundo pero mahal ko pa rin siya. Oh.
Oy, totoo yun.
Huy! Walang ganun. Wala na yun ha. Wala na po yun guys. It was 2 to 3 years ago. And ngayon naman, now siguro, yung mga na-realize ko ng mga panahon na yun. Ang dami ko palang nakaksaya ng oras kasi I was always thinking, siguro yung iniisip ko yung for short-term happiness siguro. Or short-term na bagay. Now, siguro yung natutunan ko is thinking ahead na kung ano yung mas magiging ikakabuti ko in long terms kaysa short terms. Yun na siguro. Madami kasi yung ikikwento kasi kaso aabot tayo dito ng magsisimula sana ako sa
Totoo
pitos
lang.
ako
Sa totoo lang.
Super haba kasi. So siguro, sige.
Pero yun yung sobrang nagbago.
Yung super change, siguro super change. Siguro yung super nagbago sa akin is yung yung pagiging peaceful ko. Kasi dati, konting ganun mo lang sa akin, susuntukin na kita eh.
Grabe ka naman.
Konting
Konting, as in nung bata ako, kasi lumaki ako nang wala akong magulang. Nandito sila, kasi nasa Pinas ako. Lumaki ako nang wala sila. Tapos, para ako nanay, konting ganun mo lang sa akin, basin na kita ng payong. Kaya JB, mag-ingat-ingat ka. Wag lang ako may maitang payong talaga. And siguro, yung big change na yun is, pagiging super peaceful ko. Yung kahit anong gawin mo sa akin, hindi mo ako mababasag ngayon.
Wow.
You can't break me right now. Kahit ano sabihin mo siguro sa akin. Siguro yung siguro yung pinakang, nga tawag dito? Yung weakness, yan. Pinaka-weakness ko lang siguro is, siguro wag mong papakilman yung pamilya ko. Never say something bad to my
May
family.
peace of mind ka na ngayon kaysa
Ganun.
dati.
And yun, super happy naman ako sa growth ko from now kaysa dati. And yun, I'm super thankful sa buhay ko ngayon. And thankful din ako na na-meet ko kayo today.
Ace Club!
And,
Ikaw muna maliit.
Ikaw muna kayo maliit. Maliit lang. And then,
Siyan na pa inyo.
dahil nandito ako ngayon at nandito din sila ngayon at nandito kayo ngayon.
Muna kayo maliit.
Kaya nyo to narinig kasi you need to hear it and you need to apply it to yourself. And
Beka, kasi mula pa lang natin, nasa conclusion ka na.
and then, para sa akin lang to. Gusto ko lang sabihin kasi minsan lang kasi ako maging seryoso sa buhay. Kasi
totoo lang.
ayaw kasi ng masyadong seryoso. So, ayun. Hi sa mama akong nanonood dyan. Yun, pasa ako na yung mic. Wala na akong masabi.
Okay.
Slay.
Thank you, Josh.
Next question.
Slay for your growth. Sino magtatanong? Ikaw sasagot.
Okay, next question. Let's have our guest answer as well.
Guest ako? Malamang, tambay ka lang dito, be. Tambay ka dito, be.
Wala lang yan.
Okay lang yan. Basta tutulungan mo ako mag-translate.
Translate namin.
Anong klaseng question ba to?
Anong kulay ng bubong nyo? Ilan yung pintuan sa bahay nyo?
Oy, walang mag-alaw na sorry.
Okay, next question. What's scarier, being alone or settling for the wrong person?
Settling for the wrong person. I'd rather be alone. Mami ha. Sorry pa.
Expound.
Because
Ayun na.
Expand isang back to back.
sorry, okay. Okay, so I think my mindset comes from seeing my mom struggle growing up. I come from a broken family. My dad kind of left. And there's this whole family drama of my grandparents hating each other. My grandparents also have past romances with each other, that kind of thing. So there's a lot of drama going on there. And the thing that my mom used to say was that, like, my father was a really good man, but then he changed after she went away for work because my mom graduated college far faster than my dad did. And that change really, well, ended up with my family situation. And I really had to watch my mom get with these subpar guys. And I really did not like that. Like, my mom is ambitious.
Pause.
Technical difficulties, guys.
Sorry. And we are back.
Thank you for waiting after the break. Anyways, as I was saying, my mom is one of the most ambitious and independent women I've ever seen. And and seeing her settle for like a guy is like ugh. And I've also had my fair share of like disappointments. I've also had my fair share of like disappointing guys. At first, I tried to look past it because I'm. Anyways, because I thought that I was in love, but then, nah, guys, don't like.
Just don't.
Just don't think that you can that you're fine with it just because like you love them. I promise you're gonna be miserable. If they don't change, it's probably because they don't want to change, and you are not gonna have any luck with changing them. So it's better to be alone. Who knows, maybe you're gonna meet your dream guy, your dream girl, then settle for someone, and then out of nowhere when you're at your lowest, you just suddenly see like the guy of your dreams, and then you're gonna think, "Ay, why didn't I wait?" So,
Valid.
yeah. And besides, I'm a 10 out of 10 anyways.
Oh!
Slay.
We're gonna ask the next question.
At guys, we'll be right back sa ating commercial. And we are back again, Philippines.
Philippines.
Okay na.
Okay.
Okay.
Next question.
Oh! Yan, no? Yan.
Sobrang energetic.
Ina-up ko lang yung energy nila kasi medyo lobat na eh. So, ayun. Kamusta naman kayo? Meron ba tayong next question dyan? Ano next question natin?
Host year.
Siya pa yung host.
Siya yung guest, siya na yung
Guest speaker naging host.
Galing.
Okay. Next question. Ano?
What are you gonna ask?
Si JV. Ano? Is it like more important to love or be loved?
I don't know.
Oh.
For me siguro is to love. Like, I don't know, in my experience kasi like, huh?
Hoy, it
No.
can be not, ano naman,
No, like,
relationship. Kayo
Ay,
naman.
panlaman to mga
Ay, sorry.
moment yun.
Okay.
Skip ad.
Adults, quiet. The kid is speaking. Sorry.
ano, siguro is to love. Kasi like, I don't know, ako kasi nung dati is sobrang, alam mo yun, kahit mga serious matter, even kahit related yung family and stuff, like, I don't give attention. So like, dahil doon, parang nagre-regret ako. and stuff. So like, I want to show na hindi lang dapat ako yung mamahalin. Like, gusto ko rin magpakita na mahal ko rin sila, kayo. Like, ganun.
Slay. Ay,
Kasi like,
may pagtingin na.
Mahal ko
Alay.
sila, kayo, siya.
hindi. Pero yun nga kasi ayoko na one-sided lang yung like, gusto ko like
You regret na
Oo.
ikaw lang yung nakakatanggap ng love.
oo. Gusto ko rin na ako rin, kaya ko rin pakita.
Slay. Napapakita mo ba?
No comment.
Okay.
Parang nilamig ako dun Lamig!
Okay, next question naman. This is for Jody. What's a promise you made to yourself that failed to keep?
Uy.
Ako, for me, thank you for that wonderful question. Next question, please. One promise, I guess, yung daming S.
Promises.
Yung hindi ko ilolow yung sarili ko. Hindi ko ibababa yung sarili ko para lang sa isang tao.
Comment. Sorry.
Kailangan ba ng why?
Yeah.
Okay.
What happened? Or like, don't tell us what happened.
Kung madaming S, kailangan
Like,
may
why?
Y.
Hindi kasi dati. Wait lang. Ano ba? Hindi kasi dati, parang ewan ko, ako yung laging nag-a-adjust. Parang ganun. Siguro nasanay lang ako na parang I have to, parang kailangan kong ma-meet yung tingin ng isang tao sa akin. Kasi I grew up in a family na, sabi ko nga sa inyo, nag-iisang babae lang ako. So parang lahat ng mata sa akin, lahat ng mata nasa akin. Lahat ng mata nasa akin. So, dapat ganito ka.
So, paano sila natutulog? Haha. Haha.
Very happy.
Grabe.
Haha.
So, grabe nga yun. Okay, skip ads. So, lahat ng mata nasa akin. So, ang kasi sa akin nila mama, yung sa lola ko, parang sinet nila yung mindset ko na parang, okay, ganito ka dapat. Kapag nag-overstep ka sa linya na yan, pasaway ka, rebelde ka. Parang ganun. So parang, growing up, parang, dapat dito lang ako. Yung parang hindi ako malayang gawin lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Yung hindi ako makagawa ng sarili kong image kasi yung image, kasi binubuo ko yung image na gusto nilang na inaano nila sa akin. And yun yung sinasabi nilang kasi generational curse. Yeah. Na parang nangyari siya sa tita ko, nangyari siya sa kuya ko, sa pinsan ko, tapos ngayon ginagawa nila sa akin. So parang, kasi nakaya nga, wag mo akong hawakan. Pwede wag mo akong hawakan.
Let it out.
Hindi, kasi
Mga tapik talaga na yun. Yun eh.
Hindi kasi parang ganun nga. Ano ba, nawala na? Nandun na eh. Ano nga sinasabi ko?
Generational curse.
Oo, yung generational curse. Kasi, di ba nagsimula siya sa tita ko? Alam niya naman yung story ko na dapat magiging nurse ako, di ba? Na gusto ko, nung simula pagkabata ko, gusto ko maging nurse. Kasi yun yung, kasi yun yung sinaset nila sa akin na standard. Na dapat, okay, maging nurse ka, pagkatapos maging nurse
Ice tea dyan, ice tea. Ice tea tayo dyan. Ice tea tayo, ice tea.
Kaya mo yan. We will not judge you.
Tapos,
Medyo mainit, no? Pinapawisan yung mata mo.
parang, alam mo yung sandstorm ba? Ano ba? Hindi, ano ba? Hindi.
Napuwing yan.
Wait lang. Strong ako guys. Naiiyak today.
So, pag umiyak, weak na.
Oh.
Isa pa yun.
At guys, dito na po nagtatapos.
Hindi. Kasi nagsimula siya sa tita ko. Recently ko lang nalaman na ayaw rin ni tita na mag-nurse. Ayaw niya. Kasi sabi lang nung lola ko sa kanya, okay, mag-nurse ka. Kasi yung kapatid niya nag-nurse, nagpunta ng abroad, ganon. Tapos si kuya ayaw niya rin mag-nurse. Actually, ang gusto niyang kunin is yung kinukuha ko ngayon, mass communication sa Pinas. Tapos ngayon, yung parang kinukuha ko nga ngayon, more on directing, more on film, mga ganon. Kasi mahilig siyang gumawa ng tula. Parehas kami. Dati. Tapos, ayun, nung sabi ko, and then, nasabi ko na kasi sa kanila na, mag-nurse ako, gusto ko mag-nurse, ganon, ganyan. Tapos, sabi ko, parang ayoko na mag-nurse. So, kinuha ko yung engineering. Kaya ako nag-STEM. Sabi ko, okay, mag-i-engineering na lang ako. Kasi si Papa, yung lolo ko, gusto niya rin mag-engineer dati, pero naging teacher siya. Sabi ko, sige, mag-i-engineering na lang ako. Alam niyo, yung sinabi nila sa akin? Sabi nila sa akin, kaya mo ba? Na parang, huy, lisensya na yun na, akala ko kasi kapag nagkuha ko ng bagong course. Nagkuha ko ng panibagong course, pero may lisensya pa din, okay lang sa kanila. Na parang okay lang na ganito, basta may lisensya. Kasi sabi rin sa akin ni Daddy yun na parang, okay lang kahit anong course na gusto mong kunin, basta may lisensya. So sabi ko, hala, paano yan? Tapos ngayon, nagkuha ko ng CM, na parang decidido na ako sa, okay, magsi-CM na ako. Ang lagi nilang inaano sa akin, ano makukuha mong trabaho dyan? Parang wala ka namang makukuhang pera dyan, wala ka namang maiipon dyan. Parang iniisip na agad nila kung ano yung mangyayari. So, nung
may sira siguro.
Grabe, nanginginig. Parang,
may sira yung mic nito eh.
Bakit
sira
nanginginig yung mic?
Sira yung mic?
Mali ata to, guys. So, nung nung nagbakasyon sila dito, nung nagbalik sila, nasa kami nun, nasa parang ship. Alam mo, may mga kainan. Ganon, nagsakay kami doon. Parang ganon. Pero hindi siya cruise ship.
Hindi siya cruise, basta okay.
Oo, basta ganon siya. Tapos, kasama ko sa table si yung lolo ko, si Kuya CJ, yung asawa niya. Tapos si Pepoy. Tapos, nasa kabilang table si Mami, Daddy, tsaka yung kapatid niya. Tinanong na naman nila ako sa course ko. That time, parang naka-enrolled na ako dito sa BSU. Sabi nila na, anong course mo nga uli, ate? Ganyan. Sabi ko, ano po, CM, Creative Media po. So, anong ginagawa doon? Parang more on filming po, photography, ganyan. So, sabi nila, okay. So, paano yan? Gagayahin mo si Direk Joel, yung nasa church namin. Shoutout si Direk. Sabi, gagayahin mo si Direk. Sabi, paano yan si Direk? Walang trabaho ngayon. Kasi dati siyang nag-Saudi, tapos bigla siyang choice niyang mawala ng trabaho at mag-focus sa church. Hanggang sa, alam mo yung hindi ko na kinaya. Kasi ayokong makita nila ako na parang, okay, strong ako na tao, ganyan ako. Kasi parang, sa buong magpipinsa namin, kami lang talaga yung nakakagat sa isa't isa. Kaya nung time na umiyak na ako noon, si Kuya CJ ang unang nakakita. Kasi kaharap ko siya. Tapos tinatanong nila ako, bakit ka naiyak? Sabi ko, bakit ka naiyak? Tapos hindi ko sila pinapansin. Tapos si Kuya CJ nagbulong sa asawa niya. Sabi niya, ganito kasi, pinipilit na naman nila na yung gusto nila at hindi yung gusto ko. Hanggang sa magtuloy-tuloy siya, na parang, ano bang gusto niyong gawin ko? Ano bang way, or ano bang kailangan kong gawin para mapakita ko lang sa inyo na ito, kaya ko to, na itong sa tingin nyo na wala akong mararating dito, kaya kong abutin, na parang ganun. Napipikon? No, kaya ganun. And yun yung promise ko sa sarili ko na parang na ayoko nang i-lower yung sarili ko. Kasi hindi lang naman siya nangyari sa family. Nangyari rin naman siya sa friends. Hanggang sa bumaba na yung tingin ko sa sarili ko. Hanggang sa kahit ano na lang sabihin sa akin ng tao, ginagawa ko para lang ma-meet yung standards nila. Kaya ayun. Huwag na natin ituloy.
We're
And
proud
then,
of you, Jody.
or sending hugs, comfort, and peace.
Virtual hugs.
And we'll be back on the next question or next person.
So, hi guys, we're back after a long break. As you can see naman, wala na yung dalawang guests namin. They had to leave, unfortunately. But yeah, that's basically the end of our podcast. Medyo hindi pa super complete. But who knows, baka may episode 3.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes. Paano ulit yung outro natin? Thank you for listening. This has been
Heroes and Backstabs.
Bye!
Peace out, y'all. Facts.
Heroes and Backstabs.